In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase bill in Zoho Books. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure you fully grasp each component. First, we'll need to navigate to the Purchases section on the left-hand sidebar of Zoho Books. Once there, you'll see an option labeled Bills. Selecting this option will direct you to the Bills section, where you can manage and access all your billing information. Now, look towards the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find a button that says Plus New. Click on that button to commence creating a new purchase bill. Upon doing so, you'll be prompted to select a vendor name. If you've already added the vendor in your system, simply select it from the list. However, if this is a new vendor, Zoho Books provides an option to add their details, allowing you to organize and track vendor information efficiently. Following this, it's time to input the bill number and order number. These identifiers are crucial for tracking and referencing specific purchases. Moving on, you'll encounter fields for the bill date and payment terms. Input the date on which the bill was issued, and then choose the appropriate payment terms from the provided options. Conveniently, the system will automatically adjust the due date based on your selection, helping you keep track of payment timelines. Next, it's essential to add the items that are being billed. Zoho Books facilitates adding items either individually or in bulk for convenience. Additionally, you have the option to mark certain items as billable to a specific customer, something that can be invaluable for client-specific invoicing. As we near the final steps, consider including any necessary notes related to the bill. Notes can provide additional context or specify conditions that are pivotal to the transaction. Similarly, if there are any relevant files, such as receipts or agreements, attach them to ensure all support documentation is available alongside the bill transaction. Lastly, after reviewing all the details and ensuring everything is correct, click on the Save button. This action will effectively create your bill, storing it in Zoho Books for future reference or action. With these steps, you've successfully created a purchase bill in Zoho Books. This streamlined process not only helps in keeping your records organized, but also equips you with the tools to maintain seamless financial operations. Thanks for following along, and happy billing.